The second time you are only adding the Mac laptop, it should get incremented. But if Rishikath is adding Mac laptop to his cart, that time new account, a new record should be created. It should not increment your count. It should not increment your Mac laptop quantity. So for that we need to check both the conditions. One thing, whether that particular thing is present in my product is present in my database or not. If it is present, is it belonging to the same currently logged in user or not? If both the conditions are true, then I am going to increment the quantity and increment the price, total price. Here is the new, over here. Now as you know, the get method is going to throw you error. So as it is throwing the error, we are going to make use of try and except block. Try. Let me give variable as cp equal to cart model dot objects dot get. One is the name should be matching product name. T name equal to product dot name. T name. Then the host ID. So host equal to request dot user. So if it is not throwing any error, that means that that particular product belonging to the currently logged in user is already present. So what I need to do? I need to update it. So I need to update that particular object instance. Where is the object instance present? It is present in the cp variable. So cp.quantity, I need to increment by 1. cp.quantity, it is going to return you 1. So 1 plus equal to 1. I am making use of my assignment operator and writing it plus equal to 1. And then what I need to do? I need to increment my price also. How to increment the price? See, a total price I need to increment. cp.total price plus equal to, if it is 90,000, I need to add extra 90,000 to this particular total price. Where is the 90,000 present? It is present in the price field. So product.price. cp.total price plus equal to product.price. So like this I have incremented my quantity and the total price. After performing the update operation, we need to save it. cp.save. And whenever the get method is going to throw error, when it is going to throw error, if that particular object is not present in the database, that time I should create the object. I should create the object and redirect it to my create the object and redirect it to the cart. We can redirect it to the cart. So let me place it outside the except block. Redirect to cart should happen after the try block or after the except block. Okay, now I cannot modify the existing thing. It is not going to execute. So what we will do? We will clear our database. Let me open the shell and clear the database. Shell from base load models, import cart model equal to cart model dot objects dot all a dot delete. Now it got deleted. Now it will work properly. The server is not running. Let me run this server. I'm adding Mac laptop. Okay, once again I'm going to add the Mac laptop. See, 2, 1,80,000, 90,000 plus 90,000, it is 1,80,000. It is getting incremented. Once again, let me add the jeans. 6,000, 6,000. 11,998. It is working properly. Copy down the logic and write out. Yes, Subhalakshmi, share this not. If it is already present, I am incrementing the quantity and total price. If it is not present, then a except block will get executed. And I am creating view. I am going to create a context. Search search is to true. I am creating a context. Search is to true. So where this context will be sent, it will be sent to my home.html. What does my home.html inherit? It inherits the code from the main.html. Along with this code, it is inheriting the code from main.html. So the context will be accessible in the main.html also. Let us go to the main.html. Here, what is my main.html including? It is including my nav.html code. Now, the context will be accessible in my nav.html also. Here in my nav.html, I am going to write a condition. I am going to write a condition that if search, then only you display this particular search bar. And if even over here, if search. Let us observe. See, in the login page it is not visible. Only in the home page it is visible. Let me log in and check. Now it is visible in the home page. Card page it is not visible. In the profile page it is not visible. So now it is only visible in the home page. What you need to do? You need to pass the context through your home view to the nav.html. Execute everyone. Once again, let me share the screen. Inside if form of type submit input of type value, let me give it as trending. And one more for the offer. So this will be present in home page. So let me refresh and check. So I am able to get trending on the offer letter. Now observe this one, everyone. Observe your diction. Observe the query date. In the terminal we are printing, right? We are printing request.post. If I am just visiting the home page, it is get method, request.method is get, and request.get is going to return you empty query date. As it is returning the empty query date, the else block will get executed. Now, if the user is using the category, then what happens? The elif condition is going to be checked. The elif condition, if elif category in request.get will become true. If I am clicking on the phone, what is happening? Category is present in the query date. So elif category in request.get, this particular condition is becoming true. Now if I am clicking on the trending, in my query date, I will be able to get the key trending. What I will be able to get? I will be able to get the key as trending. Now what I need to do? I need to write one more condition. elif trending in request.get. If trending is present in request.get, what you need to do? You need to filter out the products where trending equal to true. Data equal to product dot objects dot filter trending equal to true. So let me check the field once. I don't remember the field name. Let me go to the models.py. Yes, it is trending and offer itself. Yeah, correct. elif trending in request.get data equal to product.objects.filter trending equal to true. Now if I am clicking on the offer, so what I will be able to get in the query date? Offer. So I need to write the condition that elif offer in request.get. Product.objects.filter offer equal to. Now I will be able to get I need to make this one as a global variable. Let me make it a global variable where by default it will be false. By default it is going to be false. No match, trending equal to false, and then offer equal to false. Now if I go to the home.html, here I will display the message. For each and every product, if you want, you can display, or else at a time, like a heading, you can display. It is left to you. If trend Which one? Trending. If offer and if 50% off. Home page I am visiting, there is nothing getting displayed. Now if I visit my trending page, I am able to get this message trending. If I click on offer, I am able to get this 50% off, 50% off. Copy down everyone. First create the context properly. And by default it will be false. Whenever you are making use of trending and offer button, they will become true. Then you need to pass the context. Go to the card.html and here you need to add the URL detail tag. Percentage URL remove id.id. Let me once check. Yes, it is getting removed. Next, I need to work with the increment and decrement button. First, complete till here. Yeah, whenever I click on plus, the quantity should be increased and the total price should be increased. When I click on minus, the quantity should be decreased, total price should get decreased. So first of all, I need to fetch that particular product. So what type of URL? Again, I need to create a dynamic URL. So def increment request ID. Then I need to fetch that particular product equal to cart model objects get ID equal to ID. Then what I need to do? I need to increment the quantity by 1. Product.quantity is equal to 1. And then I need to increment the price. Product.total price is equal to product.price. After that I need to save it. Product.save. Then redirect. Return redirect to cart. Yes, let me create the URL path. Sorry, what is the increment? Increment slash is to ID increment name equal to increment. Then go to card.html. Here for the increment I need to add the URL detail tag. URL within the single quotes increment, and I need to pass the ID. Let us try. Yes, it is getting increased. Copy down the view, everyone. Yes, everyone, let us create the URL path. Go to the card.html. Here you need to your URL detail tag. Then let me write the URL def decrement request. I need to fetch that particular product from the card model. Same as your increment, we need to write the logic for the decrement also. You need to decrement the quantity and you need to decrement the total price also. So product of quantity minus equal to 1. Then product of total price minus equal to product of price. Whenever you make some changes in your database, what you need to do, you need to update, you need to save the changes. So you are going to make use of the save method. After that, I will redirect to the cart view. So return redirect to cart. Yes, it is getting decremented. Yeah, but there is a problem. Now the quantity, the current quantity is 1. Now when I am clicking on the decrement button, what is happening? It is going to 0. And when I once again click on it, minus 1. It is going into negative values. This should be avoided. So what I will do, I will write a condition. I need to write a condition that if product quantity is greater than 1, then only I need to decrement it. If product dot quantity greater than 1, if the product quantity is greater than 1, then only you need to decrement the quantity, decrement the total price. If it is or less than 1, that time what I need to do, I need to delete that particular product from my database. So product dot delete. Delete that particular product from the database. So let me once again refresh it out. Product got deleted. Once again let me show you. getting incremented. When I'm clicking on minus 2, now the product quantity is 1. When it is 1, what should happen? The item should get deleted from my database. See, it got deleted. Copy down everyone. First calculate it. I need to add this particular total price column. I need to add this particular total price column. So, where is my cart column? Yeah, over here. Let me take a variable by the name total price or TP. TP equal to 0. Okay. TP equal to 0. What is my filter method returning? Filter method is returning here. Filter method is returning a query set. So I am applying for loop. For I need cart products. What I need to get? I need to get the total price of each and every columns, each and every record's total price I need to get it and add it to my TP variable. So what I will do? TP plus equal to I dot total price. Done. Let me once print it out. Now let me refresh it out. Yeah, see, I got the total price. Now through the context I will send it to my cart.html. Let me go to the cart.html. Now here outside the one total price. Total price. Yeah, I am able to display the total price. If I increment or decrement, remove any item, yes, still it is working. Copy this one everyone.